Good morning, children. Today we'll start our new work in our Arty Squash Color Shower book. For today's work, you have to take Arty Squash Color Shower book. With that, you have to take a pencil. Then you have to take a crayons. You have to take all these things and open page number 7. First, the main important thing is you have to write down today's date here. At the top, you have to write down the date. Children, here the main major thing was whenever you have my drawing period now, that date you have to write. Some children, what they will do, they will, if they have Saturday class means, what they will do, they will open the video and they will see the video on Sunday, either on Monday. That date they will write. You should not write that date. Whenever you have my class regularly on Saturday at 11 o'clock. So, you have to write that date only. Okay, children. Now, after writing the date, here they given something. What they given, that one I will show here. Now, you have to see that. See, children, here the one main thing was, here they given the dotted line. That dotted line, what you have to do? You have to take a black color crayon. And this dotted line, you have to draw like this. On the dotted line, you have to trace. Is it clear, children? With a black color crayon, you should trace the dotted line. After tracing that, what you have to do? Then, after the dotted line over with a black color crayon, what you have to do? You have to take a light blue color crayon. See, children, you have to take a light blue color crayon. This cloud you should do with the light blue. Then this portion at the back of the bunny. Whatever the space will be there, no, that also you should do with the light blue color. Okay, children, here they given one bunny with and that bunny is sitting on the grass. That work we are doing now. So, this cloud and the background you have to do with the light blue color. Then, what you have to do? You have to take a dark green color. Whatever grass they given here, that one you have to do with the dark green. After once you complete dark green here, you should come to this side. Here also you should do the dark green color. Here also you should do the dark green color. Then, what you have to do? You have to take once again dark green, whatever they given the carrot, this part. This one you have to do with the dark green. Then whatever the oval shape they given now, that also you should do with the dark green. Children, this is extra. In the picture, whatever picture they given now here, in that oval circle is not there. Here extra I given, you have to see the book. Whatever color I given, that one you have to do. This side also, whatever the oval shape they given, that one you have to do with the dark green. Is it clear, children? Once you complete this work, what you have to do? You have to take a pencil, then draw here sleeping line. Here you should draw a sleeping line like this. After doing the sleeping line, what you have to do? You have to take a light green color and whatever the ground part they given, no, that full you should do with the light green. Wherever this full. Don't leave white patches anywhere. You have to complete full with the light green. Is it clear, children? Then you have to take a red color. And do color for the carrot. Here the 3 carrot they given, that 3 carrot you should do with the red color. Is it clear, children? Then once you complete this full, what you have to do? You have to take a yellow color. This part you should do with the yellow. Here you should do with the yellow. Then you have to take a pencil. This nose you should do with the pencil or a grey color. Okay, children? Or a grey color. How it will look the grey color? It will look like this. Someone's crayon box they have a grey color. Someone's crayon box they don't have a grey color. That's why what you have to do, if you have a grey color means you can use the grey color. If you don't have grey color means you can use the pencil. Both will give same effect. Okay. After that, at the last, you have to take a pink color. Whole bunny you have to do with the pink. Bunny body, leg, or hand, whatever they given, no, that full you should do with the pink color. Is it clear, children? The whole body and the face, everything you should do with the pink color. So what you have to do, you have to color full first. Then at the last you have to do color for the bunny, because here the pink color, it is very light color. If you do the dark color later, after doing pink, if you did the dark color, sometime if you do the color inside the pink, that's why it will mix with that pink and it will give a black shade. For that reason, you have to do the pink color at last. Once you complete the page number 7, what you have to do, you have to go for page number 8. See children, this is your page number 8. First, the main thing, all of you know that you have to write down the date. After writing date, what we have to do? We will go there. Here one bee they given and some flowers they given. Okay. Here whatever the large parts will be there, no, that one we will complete first. Then we will go to the honeybee. Okay. First, what you have to do? You have to take a pencil and draw the line here. Draw the sleeping line like this. Okay. Standing line here. And this one here. Okay, after drawing that line, what you have to do? You have to take a dark green color. You have to take a dark green color and color for the grass here. See children, here also you should draw the line, because in the picture, in the small picture, they given 2 green also. For that reason, here they did not given any line. For that reason, what you have to do, after drawing this sleeping line, you have to draw one curve like this. Okay. Then this part you have to do with the dark green color. This whatever the bush they given at the back side, that one you should do with the dark green color. Then here the small bushes they given, that also you should do with the dark green. Next, here the leaf they given, this also you should do with the dark green color. After once you complete this dark green, what you have to do? You have to take a light green color. You have to take a light green color. This grass, this leaf, whatever leaf they given for the flower, no, that one you have to do with the light green. Okay children, this leaf you have to do with the light green. Then from this one, from this ground part, this one you have to do with light green plus yellow color. I will show how you should do this one. Okay, that one you have to do later. Then after that, you have to take a light blue color and color for the flower. Light blue color for the flower. Then orange color for the bird. Orange color for the bird. You should take a pink color. This whatever the flower middle part they given, no, this one you should do with the pink. Next, once again you should take a yellow color. The flower petal. Once again you should take a yellow color and color for the flower petal. Okay, yellow color for all the petals. Then you should take a brown color. You should take a brown color and color for the gate. Whatever gate they given you here, this full gate you should do with the brown color. And one more thing children, where you should do the brown color? Here, if you see the small picture, here if you see the small picture, there you can see the brown, where you should do the brown. You have to see that according to that, here you should do this portion. Because here brown you have to do and here brown you have to do, and middle you have to leave the white space. Okay. After all these things over, now we will move to the honeybee. In the honeybee, what you have to do? You have to take a light blue color. Whatever the wings they given now, that one you have to do with the light blue. The wings you should do with the light blue. And the socks, whatever the honeybee is wearing the socks, no, this one you have to do with the purple color. Then once again you should take the brown. Once again you should take the brown. Here see children. And do here brown. Okay children. After once you complete all this color, you have to take a yellow color and do color for the honeybee. Full honeybee you should complete with the yellow color. Okay children. Once you complete all these things, now I will show how you should do the two colors and how you should do the lengthy space. See children, here length is space. I said that you have to do the dark green. How you should do? You should start like this with the small shading work. Do the color like this neatly. Okay, don't do inside the petal, whatever the flower petal they given, don't do color inside that, and don't do the out of the black line. You should color neatly like this with the sleeping way, and don't leave white patches also children. Okay, complete like this. Only the small shading work you should do. Okay children, like this neatly you should do. And one more thing I said, you have to use the light green and the yellow color. How you should do? See children, first I will do the yellow color here. Lightly you should do yellow color like this with a small shading work. And you have to do only the sleeping way. Like this neatly you should do the small shading work. Then after that you have to take a light green. Upon the yellow color you should do the light green like this. Okay children, like this neatly you should do the color. Okay, is it clear? Like this it should come. Okay children, and while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you should call me and you should ask me about your doubt and clarify your doubt. Then you have to complete your work. One more thing, parents, please help your child to do the color. That means don't do and give. Let them do and tell them to don't leave the white patches and tell them to don't scribble. Okay parents, thank you.